Hello, everyone. Welcome to Guaranteed. And today I am going to be reviewing these LEDs. I got these on Amazon, and they are the white in color 6000 to 6500 color temperature. So you're going to get a nice, cool white. So, first thing I want to do is show you what's in the package. So let me empty that out right now. Make sure. Aha. Okay. So in here, they give you some hooks. And they give you a little corner piece. And then you've got your reel of LEDs. Now I'm going to go ahead and say this. Let me move these on out of the way. This USB cord is attached to the reel, but earlier before I filmed, I actually cut mine just to make sure that one LED would work. And it does. You can actually cut these LEDs anywhere along the reel if there's a cut mark. All right. Right there on those black lines are your cut marks. So the cool thing about these LEDs, if you want to have one LED, 3 or 4 LEDs, wherever you need to cut them at, feel free. But they do recommend having at least a 2 amp power adapter. Now, let me show you the adapter that I have. This is just a cell phone adapter that I'm going to be plugging them into, but this is only a 1.5 amp. And I can tell you that if you plug in the whole reel, it does get warm. So the higher the amperage, if you want to do all 16 feet, this is about a 5-meter roll, so that's around 16 feet. If you want to do that, make sure to get you a 5 amp adapter, because if you get the 5 amp adapter, it should hold up just fine. I also bought these adapters right here. Now, I did this so that I can actually cut these to any length, and I can easily plug them up. Now, I'll put a link to both of these items in the description below, so you can click on them and check them out. And if you do click on them and buy them from Amazon with that link, it does help us out. We are Amazon affiliates, so if you don't mind, buy it from that link. But otherwise, buy it however you want to. But we got these for about $16.99 on Amazon, and these were about $7.99 on Amazon at the time of purchase. As you know, though, Amazon prices do change. So let me show you real quick how easy it is to attach one of these adapters. So if you're going to get these and you want to cut them, might as well go ahead and get the adapters. Or you may have some already that you like better. But on these adapters, there's actually a plus and a minus. It may be too hard to see on the camera though. Not sure if you can see that, but there is plus and minus. And on the strips, at each cut mark, you see a plus and you see a minus on the cut mark. So when you're lining these up, make sure that you're aware of this so that they cut on. Otherwise, if you get them backwards, you're just not going to have any light and you'll know to switch it around. Now, these are real easy to do. You don't have to worry about the one closest to the plug. Leave that one snapped in. But this, you actually just get your fingernail up there and unsnap it, and it just folds out just like that. The minus is over here on this side, and my minus is on this side. I'm going to actually need to flip it upside down, pull the little paper back. And these do have nice sticky back on there. I really like that part. So that means if you want to stick them up under your counter for counter lights or stick them around your TV, little corner piece, these work good for mounting on TVs. So you can have, you'd have to have more of them, of course, since they only put the one in the package. So I'm going to flip this around. Let's see if I can show you. You don't actually slide it underneath the little connectors. You slide it on top. We're just going to put it right in there. Just like that. So I've just slid it right underneath the groove. And now you just click it closed, just like that. So now this should be ready to plug in. And there you go. Simple as that. You saw how easy that was. The cool thing about these adapters, no soldering involved, as you saw. You just open it up, slide your LED light strip in there, close it down, and now it's ready to go. Like I said, after a few minutes, this starts getting warm since it's only a 1.5 amp adapter. So I would recommend getting a bigger adapter if you want to do the whole reel. So here's that USB cord that comes in the package. It's a very long USB. Now, for my projects, I don't need them this long. There you go. So plug in your adapter and you can plug in just one LED. If you like what you see, feel free to click on the link below and you can get the adapters and the LEDs. If you like any information that you've had in this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you want future content. I hope y'all have a great day. See ya.